Nah, Piggy. Like the always times. Oh, wow, that's nice. Right before I get the game. There goes Piggy. Bruh. Oh, this man is gonna... Ooh, you're gonna get closed on me. From me, I mean. Alright, kid. Where did that come from? Stop closing the door. Levy? Oh, that's my friend. I suck at Piggy. No, the reason why I'm saying that because I really lag so much. Do we need orange? Oh no, we don't. Dang! You guys good? You guys good down there? Hey. Where does the green key go again? Oh wait, it's the place right over there. Got it. Alright, now I just need those eggs, whatever those are. Oh, found one. Oh! Haha, I got the last one. Shut up. No, you took it. Oh, wait, I took it. We just need... Oh, I know what the wrench is. Oh, I swear someone has it. I'm gonna be so mad. Hey, there's the bot. Yes! What am I doing? I should drop it down here. Pa! For a little shortcut. Alright, pigs, come on. Pigs! Where is the bot? Alright, doggy. Let's get out. Ah, you can't push him. Sir, can you move? Oh no, I'm stuck. Oh my gosh, doggy. Oh no, why did you bring him down here? Yes, let's go. Wait, we're done? I know I'm done, but did everyone escape? Please. Comment down below who's your favorite character in Piggy. Ow. I know all secrets. Okay. What can I buy that's 130? Nothing. Who should I get next? Dino Piggy. I got Pony. Giraffe. I really want Soldier and the new character. I really want Skelly and Parasy. I think that's his name. Clowny. And a Robbie. I feel like Robbie's my favorite. Or Pony. Oh wait! I haven't got the true ending yet because I need the picture from City. And I have to take it with me. And that's how you get the true ending. So, if you want to... Wait, I forgot. Only one person can get the picture and go with it. Dang it, mate! No, my friend is the pig. Dang it. I remember I used to be the pig like 100 times. I was like, dang, am I popular in the game? Does Minitoon knows me? Does he think I'm a pro? By the way, I'm not a pro. I mean, I finished all chapters, but I'm not a pro. Nice to meet. Oh, I thought you got the key card. That's why you were literally going there. No, I'm grabbing it. I'm grabbing it. I'm grabbing it. No, stop. Great, we just wasted time for a dumb key card. How much you bet the blue key is in here? Ha! Battery, battery, battery. Alright. We need the red key to get the next battery. Okay, you got it. Wait, where are you going? It's this way. Oh, someone died. Rest in peace. The door before the pig comes. I feel like the pig is already here. No! 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 Wait, it didn't chase me. Ah! Oh my gosh. I'm not dumb. Okay, I'm sorry. No, I'm stuck. Wait, shut up. Wait, I'm stuck in the ground. Oh, jeez. I got stuck in the ground. Alright. Wait, but if I join him, I'm still gonna be dead. What? Oh gosh. This game. What should we play next? Speed World. When did I play that? You know what? Let's just play Puppet. Puppet. I hate games when they copied Piggy. Because I feel like Piggy was the first one to be created. No, like, not like in Roblox. Like, wait, you know how Puppet copied it? And what else? They made Bunny, they made Doggy. What else? I don't know, but I hate it. But why am I playing it if I hate it? No, I don't hate the game. I just hate when. Do you guys like hate people creating a game that's already been created, but you make it so different? Like, have you ever like, oh, this person copied that game? Like to me, it's annoying. Like, it doesn't look the same because Piggy is not like this. Wait, you know. Oh, of course the dang. Come here, Elmo. I remember I used to like Elmo when I was a little kid. But when I was like, I don't know, like what age I got so I had nightmares of Elmo, what was that sound? I can't remember this thing, huh? Oh, because I haven't been here yet. I don't know what to do in the game. Like, it looks like Piggy, but it's not. Oh, great! Someone just sacrificed himself. Oh! What the heck? I stopped moving. Wait, guys. I think you guys saw me move it, and I didn't know it. That was so weird. I didn't even like touch the thumbstick. Like, I thought something moved me. Oh my gosh, I think I have goosebumps now. I can feel it on me. Yo, that's scary. Yo, I have goosebumps. Yo! I wish I can show you guys in the camera, but I can't. What the heck? Okay, this game is freaky. Yeah. Like, you see that? Like, and Piggy, they have the white key in the world. Wait, I should have gone there instead. Wait, it's a bot or it's a player? Alright. Pigs. No, this is puppets, so. Puppets? Hands up, you're on the ground. Now. Wait, you got the wrong guy. What just happened? Let me guess. The Elmo is Piggy. And Zombo is Zombie Piggy. Yeah, they copied it. The cookie looks like the brother. I think Abby, whatever her name, I forgot what's her name. It looks like an angel. Ghost. They don't have that Piggy. I wish they had. Okay, tell me why Aaron. Oh, no, I don't know what's his name. I remember. Tell me why Ernie looks like Foxy. Oh, that murder night. Whoa, dude. Don't you think that's too violent? Don't? No, we just did that. Okay, let's just do it over. If we do it in order with players! Prison was chosen. Like, see, they copied it. Like except for infection and traitor. Wait, what I do in Piggy is stand in the corner. Does this look like Piggy to you? Well, it's Piggy. Well, it's not. It's not Piggy, but it's like Piggy. And I hate when people copy it. Oh, I was watching a video of Piggy on YouTube. They said Piggy should win the next award of the Bloxies. Okay, I got the hammer. I forgot where it goes. Oh, wait. Okay. Quick! No. Oh, that's cheating. No, I'll go for you last. What? So you're telling me this dude's gonna follow me everywhere where I go until everyone's dead, and then he can get that person. I don't know who they're talking about. If you want me, okay, I forgot what I'm doing. Where is the ammo? Oh, found the ammo. Alright. Ah! This is gonna ruin childhood. I swear, if little kids like Elmo, bro, and they play this game, they're gonna have nightmares of this game. And also like Peppa Piggy, they're gonna have nightmares. It's gonna ruin their childhood. Is that a hammer? No. I mean, yeah. Looking for ammo. Stop trolling me. You wanna see a troll? Troll! That wasn't a troll. Oh my gosh. This puppet thinks I'm dumb. Okay, I am dumb. This is definitely gonna take life. Alright. Can I hurry up? You know, let's play Piggy again. Imagine they did great now. Wait, why they put that VIP server commands? Oh. I know what that means. I'm not dumb. Alright, you wanna see some glitches? Well, I think it's a glitch. They call it a glitch. Alright, so you want to do that and touch the crouch thing and then press. And yeah. I'm not gonna stay here forever. I'm just showing you guys how to do it. That way you guys don't get killed. But when you move and the pig is like right there, like following you, don't move because it might kill you. No, wait, is that a bot? I hate when people pick bots because bots are smart. Like, they're smarter than players. Like, players, like, they're not dumb. Like, it takes time to get them. Like, it's like, oh, I can't get this person. Yo, I'm lagging. I always lag on Piggy. I don't like it. Alright. I think I know where the green key is. I swear, if the green key's not here, I'm gonna be okay. Wow, that's a nice painting right here. Oh my gosh, this is legendary. I'm gonna turn on the volume off. That way you guys can hear me. Where does the red key? Oh, upstairs? Oh, I don't want to go upstairs. I feel like... Okay. It's a player. Okay. I hate this. What? Give me the blue key! Wait. Is there a yellow key here? Because the yellow key is always here. Yep. Can someone pick it up? Like, I have the blue key and... I'm not sick, guys. I'm not sick. I don't know why I'm coughing. Oh! Wait, I can't touch it because Piggy's not even here and not close. Is it done? Oh, okay. Not gonna lie, players are also smart because they put traps, like, because you might go there, like, you know how you go in the vent thing, like, don't look at me. And, ah! I'm trying to talk here. No, I need the hammer. Oh, you wanna play with me? You wanna play? Where are you going? Like, they're very smart. Like, they put, like, a trap in the vent when you're gonna, like, say, like, I'm the pig, and I put a trap, like, right there. And they, pop! And the pig comes. Ooh. They play themselves. Is the pig just gonna stand there or what? Where did the pig go? Haha, loser. Come here. Wait. We need the code and the need the code and the white key and the wrench. Boy, the wrench is right here. Did you see that on my screen? That's what you get for not hurrying up. I'm not gonna go there yet. Who has the yellow key? It was the little girl. Wait, what? I don't know if it's a little girl or not. The girl had it. Did she pick it up? It's gonna jump scare. Yup. I'm not dumb. They're trying to scare me again from here. This is why. No, there's nothing. We need purple key to shoot the pig. Well, if you want to. Can do it. Okay, I'm just gonna see who has the yellow key. If someone has it and they don't know where it is, they suck. Okay, never mind. They don't suck. Like the guy that freaking got killed. Like right here. Like, oh, you're camping! Wait, I'm so dumb. I can go to the other side. Duh. Yahoo! What? That actually worked. I swear if the pig comes here, I'm gonna be so mad. Come on. Ha! I know the pig is up right there. Or not. We need the white key, people. Where is the gear? Wait. I need the wrench, though. Can the wrench be over there? Oh, no. This is going to be bad. Oh, yes. Oh, I thought I fell. Oh, no. Oh, now you're camping now. Did this pig think I'm dumb? Jump down. Yes! Oh no, it's coming back up. Yes. But it's okay because I got that. And there's a vent. I think it's gonna... Oh, the red gears and the orange door. I'm not dumb. Wait, the pig is not there though. So I'm just gonna walk right here. And spin right there. Unlock that and get the red gear if it's there. Are you kidding me? It's not there. Okay, Piggy just got shot. Rest in peace, Piggy. We never... No! Where can the red gear be? Or is it already in place? That's the question. Hey, was I the only last person when this person just got in the game? I mean the green gear. Okay, now I need to go outside. So I'm gonna take a shortcut. Ha! Why did I go down there? I'm gonna end the video.